My name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Today I want to show you how to cook some of these amazing ingredients that we sell on the website. Okay, so this recipe is a French classic. We're going to do French red label chicken breast on a bed of baby bunch spinach with an amazing Morel cream sauce. Okay, we're going to start with these Morels. We've washed them already to get rid of all the grit in them. They do collect grit in those brainy frills. The idea behind this is to fry these off, get rid of all their water, bring their flavour, maximise their flavour, and then we're going to get some chicken stock in with them, reduce that all the way down. So in goes the wine. You've got hot flame on underneath. It's not going to turn into fire or anything. We're just going to give it some acidity. You see that bubbling away now. That will now reduce. So now comes the chicken stock, and that's it. We're going to leave that there for a bit, let that reduce on the heat, and meanwhile we'll get our chicken going. Again, we're going to season all over, even under the fillet, really important. In that crevice there, like that. Lovely, super. That's ready to go. Skin side down always. There's that nice crispy sound. So we're going to colour both sides of that, seal them in. Okay, so that's now ready to go in the oven. Finish off cooking. It's cooked on the underside and it's cooked on the front. 6-7 minutes, I'll imagine, in an oven, 180 degrees, 190, something like that. Now we're coming back to our Morel sauce here. Now I can see straight away as the bubbles get thicker, we're going to add our cream. We don't want to get too rich. It's already very rich, but yeah, a nice trickle like that is going to make for a very, very tasty sauce at the end of it all. And there's the spinach. The heat from the steam starts to wilt that spinach. A nice bit of salt in there. Always takes more salt than you think. And now we're just going to move it around, so lovely. There's a nice flavour in there. So whilst all that's going on, we're going to have a check of our chicken. Chicken's cooked. So it's time to plate now. Now you can see all the goodness coming out of this. There's a lot of liquid in there, but if I put it on the plate, it's just going to all leak out, which won't look very nice. So I'm going to try and get rid of all that excess liquid, and then just lay that nicely there. So we're going to lay our chicken on top of that. Just going to slice it. We're going to take off the bone as cleanly as possible, and then just go through it. And then lastly, the sauce. So I'm just going to dribble this over the chicken. And that finishes the dish off. It's a very unctuous red label chicken with Morel mushroom sauce and pousse spinach. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook these recipes today. All the products and recipes are available on finefoodspecialist.co.uk. Go and have a look at the website. There's plenty more there to see too.